Another launch video in the Faith Windows product line. I am so excited about this product line. I've had such good feedback from people. People are appreciating it. The things that they're liking is that if you just look at from a creative perspective, we're reusing junk, right? Like I'm sure all of you who do junk journaling have their whole stack like me. Look at this. And this is only, I actually have more than this. Here's all the envelopes that I save from junk mail that I get every single day. For a while I was saving them, I was ripping them apart because I loved the insides, because you could actually use this if you're into mixed media. Look at these fun black and white, and then I found a whole bunch of blue envelopes. Now I am into the windows part. And so with Faith Windows, what you're able to do is take all this junk mail envelopes that we get and put it to really good use. And the good use that we are going to do is let's do a little Bible study. So far, I started with kind of the 7 I am statements of Jesus. And the first kit, the first Faith Windows, is Jesus as the Good Shepherd. And the fact that Jesus saves and protects those who believe in him, John 10:11. The second one that I did was I'm the light of the world. Jesus is our hope and source of goodness in this dark world, John 8:12. My third one was I am the way, the truth, and the life. I'm the Savior. He's the only way we can become saved, is Jesus is our Savior, okay? Today, I am doing I am the door. Jesus is our access to heaven. That's John 10:9. So if you end up making all 4 of these, by the time you're done, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to do the other 3. You'll have 7 darling, really fun junk mail pieces that tell the story of Jesus. So like here's the one that was I launched this week, Jesus as Savior, with the red and black. And there is a video on how to make this journal. So what I'm doing is I create the digital kit. It is in my shop on Etsy, Faithart Design Studio. Then I always make a video, and I'm trying to show you, my goal is to have 10 different ways to use junk mail envelopes with windows in them, okay? So we're up to number 4. I think you're gonna really like what I'm gonna make today. So this is one from the other day. The other thing about my kits, if you will notice, there is not one thing in here except this piece of paper. I take that back, now hold on. Be careful, Diane. So I used a piece of music sheet paper, okay? And then I used some manila folders. So that's like the substrate, right? But this is just 2 envelopes. And then I showed you how to make all that. So I try to put everything you need in the kit. So you're only getting 8 pages of stuff. And I'm not saying, oh, if you have this, add this and this and that. I'm just trying to show you, hopefully I've given you enough ephemera to tell the story. Hopefully I've given you enough space that you can actually go and do a Bible study and look up these verses. That's the whole point of Faith Windows. So let's look at the I am the door kit. And it just symbolized outside to me. And I created this gorgeous green and beigey collage kit papers. I just think they're beautiful with the big envelope on it. I mean, big envelope, listen to me. The big leaf. So it's very botanical, I guess is what you want to say. And then there's the 2 images for Jesus as the door. Here's the one where he's coming through into the door, right? So that's like where he knocks and you open. That's what that picture depicts. Here is where he's standing there waiting for you to knock and to open the door to him. So those are the 2 gorgeous images that we're going to be using today, okay? Now for this one today, I end up, all 3 other kits, I only print every page once. Today I ended up printing the main page twice because the little junk journal we're gonna make, I might need that extra piece, so I wanted to be prepared. And what I'm showing you is I've already trimmed all my pages, okay? So those are the main pages. Let's set those aside before I show you what my thoughts are. So if you're brand new, you also get a whole page of Bible verses and some extra word art that I'm including and some wording that you can use. I don't cut this out till I'm getting ready to use it. And my trick and suggestion is print on clear matte photo paper, then you're making a sticker, or print on vellum. This is just vellum that I got off of Amazon, and it ends up being like a sticker. You want to know, really, Diane, does it look like that? Okay, let me show you. Yes, it does. See, on this other kit, that's the vellum. See, now, yes, you can see the edges when you look closely, but when you first pick it up, it looks like it was printed on there. So, and vellum is cheaper than the matte photo paper, sticker paper, and that's kind of hard to find. So anyway, you get this whole sheet. Every kit has one whole sheet of all the verses and some additional graphics for you to use. And then you get a whole, now I've cut all this out, so you're not going to know which page it's on, but if you're following me, you'll know that. You get one page of 4 different versions of the Bible study, the Bible mini note papers that I made, and I print this on my matte photo paper, but the cardstock version, so that's 48 pounds. So it's really nice weight to write notes on. And this time I have given you 4 different prints that kind of coordinate with the kit. You also get some word fetty, and that's what I call this, and I don't cut this out until I'm getting ready to use it, okay? That's on the top of a page that has a whole bunch of other pieces. So I give you at least 3 tags. You get 2 tabs, you get another tab, you get a circle, so you get all those parts. You get 9 tags in this kit. I've gone ahead and I've cut everything out and I've edged everything. So that way the video goes quicker and I don't have to, be cutting you off and not seeing what's going on, okay? So all my supplies are ready. I'm gonna slide those all over. They've all been edged. Here's my thought for today. And this is not totally my design. This is a copy of, if you watch Natasha from Treasure Books, this is an old video that she had. And I just loved this. So what we're gonna make is we're gonna make another tall and skinny journal. We are going to have a flip down, a flip out, right? With the windows. And then inside this plain envelope, I'm going to put another whole paper that I could put notes and things like that. So what do you need for this particular junk mail? You're going to need 2 envelopes with windows. It doesn't really matter the size. As you can see, this is a larger envelope because we're going to fold it and cut it and trim it. This is just a regular business envelope. And then you need just a regular business envelope that's already, oh, I thought I had it sealed, but it's not. And you just are going to seal that. And then you need some cardstock. So either you can use manila folders like I do because they're so cheap. I love manila folders. Or if you have just plain cardstock, you can use that, and you're going to cut a piece. So again, I can't give you dimensions. You're going to piece this together on your own. So the best thing to do is do like this. Make yourself a template first. That's what I do before I ever even make the whole thing. I will not, and then I'm going to cover this one, right? Then I'll have a separate one sitting somewhere in my template folder box so that I know, yes, that's how you made that one, okay? So